A pail with tap water, without water, rubber sheet, ba't usay tawag ani, for laundry. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sheets. 1, 2, 3. 3 towels. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 towelettes. Germicidal soap. I guess for elderly ni siya. 2 empty basin. 1 thermo for hot or boiled water. And kani with tap water. Kani siya. And a bed. Open bed.